Electric vehicle (EV) manufacturers have touted numerous benefits, including low maintenance costs, easy repairs, and battery swaps. However, the reality has often fallen short of these promises. Instead of being more reliable and cost-effective, EVs have proven to be more expensive to repair and maintain compared to internal combustion IC cars. Here are 5 key reasons contributing to this disparity. 1. Lack of trained professionals. One of the significant challenges facing EV owners is the scarcity of mechanics trained to work on electric cars. In many markets, only a small percentage of mechanics are licensed to handle EV repairs. As the number of EVs on the road increases, this shortage of skilled professionals exacerbates repair costs due to the basic principle of supply and demand. 2. Complexity and safety concerns. Electric cars come with intricate electrical systems, including batteries, inverters, and motors. Repairing these systems requires specialized knowledge and poses safety concerns due to high-voltage components. As a result, repair expenses are driven up, and the scarcity of trained professionals further compounds the issue. 3. Collisions and structural design. While EVs may have fewer parts than IC cars, collisions can lead to extensive damage, particularly to battery housings. Even minor accidents may necessitate costly replacements due to safety concerns. Additionally, damage to major electronic components often requires full replacements, further adding to repair costs and complexity. 4. Long repair times and insurance considerations. EV repairs typically take longer, contributing to extended downtime for owners. Insurance companies often opt for write-offs rather than expensive repairs, further driving up costs for EV owners. This leads to higher insurance premiums for EVs compared to IC vehicles, adding to the overall expense of ownership. 5. Reliability concerns. Despite being advertised as more reliable, EVs have shown to have higher rates of reliability issues compared to gas-powered vehicles. Problems with electric drive motors, charging components, and infrastructure contribute to this perception of unreliability. Legacy car manufacturers, in particular, have faced challenges in ensuring the reliability of their EV offerings. Despite these challenges, there are potential solutions and alternative options for consumers. 1. Investment in training. Increasing the number of mechanics trained to work on EVs can help alleviate the shortage of skilled professionals and reduce repair costs over time. Governments and industry stakeholders could invest in training programs to address this gap in the workforce. 2. Standardization and simplification. Streamlining EV designs and components could reduce complexity and repair costs. Standardizing components across different EV models could also facilitate repairs and lower expenses for consumers. 3. Enhanced warranty and support. Manufacturers could offer extended warranties and comprehensive support services to alleviate concerns about repair costs and reliability. This would provide peace of mind for EV owners and incentivize adoption of electric vehicles. 4. Infrastructure improvements. Investing in robust charging infrastructure and ensuring its reliability can address one of the key concerns for EV owners. Reliable access to charging stations would alleviate range anxiety and improve the overall experience of owning an EV. 5. Hybrid options. While electric vehicles offer environmental benefits, hybrids, particularly self-charging hybrids, have demonstrated exceptional reliability. Consumers could consider hybrid options as a more reliable alternative while EV technology continues to mature. In conclusion, while electric vehicles offer numerous advantages, challenges remain regarding repair costs, reliability, and infrastructure. Addressing these challenges will require collaboration between manufacturers, governments, and industry stakeholders to ensure the widespread adoption and success of electric vehicles in the future. By investing in training, standardization, support services, and infrastructure, the electric vehicle industry can overcome current obstacles and realize its full potential in the transportation sector. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to stay informed as this story unfolds. We'll be diving deeper into the potential impact, analyzing expert opinions, and keeping you informed on real-world testing results.